Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error, which is how incompatible Windows settings. So if you also face this error, in this video I will show you how you can fix it. It is really easy. So how you can do it: simply you have to cross this, quit the software, and then you have to click on Bluestack, and again you have to click right click and then click on run as administrator. When you do it, you will simply fix this issue. Now you can see there is no error. So hope you like this little tutorial. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Let me show you again. If you open this, you will see the error just like this one. So but if you do it with this one, run as administrator, click on yes, you will see no error. Hope you like this little tutorial. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.